All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're going to do a quick review of the Reeve knives Umnumzaan. This is a beautiful knife made by Reeve in Idaho, US, and it's going to cost you around $450. This is great. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock. These scales have been sandblasted to a pretty beautiful finish over here and milled out with these grooves in this cross-hatched pattern kind of thing, and which is gonna give you a nice and grippy purchase to the handle. The size when this is closed is 4.77 inches long, and when open is 8.45 inches, so not really like a small boy. You can buy this in two configurations basically. The blade can be like this one with the Tanto tip, or like you can choose a drop point blade. Both are gonna be in S35 VN, which is a pretty good steel, good to go, and the hardness on the Rockwell scale is gonna be around 59 to 60. Both the finish of the blade are going to be stone wash, which is ideal to hide scratches, after your work. This is a beautiful hollow ground blade, and if you analyze the sound when you open this guy, because of the presence of these rubber rings, it's gonna be pretty much silent. If you bring the blade like this towards the handle, you're basically not going to be able to hear anything. It's a beautiful and muffled sound. You can even like thumb flick, but it's going to be louder like that. Or you can, when you close it, you're going to have that nice and pretty distinctive clink that Reeve is able to do in his knife. So beautiful, beautiful sound. The weight of this guy is going to be 5 ounces. You have, the classic Reeve pocket clip, which is just too simple for me, but it's pretty effective. Nice clip ramp, nice springy action. It's gonna keep your knife pretty glued to your pocket, so it's good to go, just not like the most good looking of them all. You have some nice jimping going on over here, pretty functional to your grip, which is going to be absolutely solid. You have this nice divot here, to place your thumb and just do your scraping with the tip, or just, cutting, shredding. You can do everything with this beast. It's just beautiful. The action is fantastic, guys. The smoothness is like glassy smooth. It's an hydraulic feel when you rotate the blade around the pivot, because you have these beautiful phosphorus bronze washers that are gonna do like an extremely nice job in keeping this action super smooth. Detent is great. Fit and finish is astounding, so you cannot go wrong with this guy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you want, you can check out the full review I did for this guy. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.